In this video, we have discussed the main previous year questions 2022. A block of mass 10 kilograms starts sliding on a surface with an initial velocity of 9.8 meter per second. The coefficient of friction between the surface and block is 0.5. The distance covered by the block before coming to rest is, we know the equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as. The final velocity of this body v equal to 0 and initial velocity u equal to 9.8 meter per second, and friction is 0.5. Then acceleration of the particle is minus mu g. We can substitute all the values on equation. Then distance traveled by the particle s is equal to u square by 2 mu g. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second. 9.8 square divided 2 into 0.5 into 9.8. Then we can cancel the values. We can cancel 9.8 and 9. And 2 and 0.5. Then S is equal to 9.8 meter is the answer of the question.